business owner, your online reputation can make or break your success. One negative review or bad rating can turn away potential customers and damage your brand. But with the right strategies, you can manage your online reputation and build trust with your audience. Hello and welcome. I am Yashika Malik from Business With, your business partner for digital growth. Monitor your online presence. Keep an eye on your online reviews, social media mentions, and search engine results. Respond promptly to any negative feedback and address any concerns your customers may have. Second, encourage positive reviews. Ask your satisfied customers to leave reviews on popular review sites such as Google My Business, Yelp, and TripAdvisor. Positive reviews can help improve your online reputation and attract new customers. Third, be transparent. Be open and honest with your customers. If something goes wrong, admit your mistakes and take responsibility. This can help build trust and show that you care about your customer satisfaction. Fourth, provide excellent customer service. Offer exceptional customer service and go above and beyond to meet your customers' needs. This can help build a positive reputation and generate repeat business. Fifth, engage with your audience. Interact with your customers on social media. Respond to comments and messages. And participate in online conversations related to your industry. This can help build relationships and establish trust. By following these strategies for online reputation management, you can build trust with your audience and establish a positive online reputation for your business. Thank you and follow us for more such videos. Now get your work done in 3 simple steps. First, post your requirement. Second, get connected to the best agency near you. Third, Business With ensures that work is done within budget and timelines.